ओम येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधिः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंभृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। तत्वमसि प्रकरणम पेज नंबर 300 श्लोक नंबर 159 इंट्रोडक्शन। यद्यपि तस्योक्तरीत्या भोग्य विषयाकार परिणामो नास्ति। उक्तरीत्या means in the previous couple of shlokas what is pointed out is buddhi is parinami, atma is aparinami. Same idea what we saw in Naishkarmya Siddhi in last few sessions. Similar teaching is given here. So bhogya vishaya akar parinama is not there in atma, adhyaksha. Bhogya vishaya means ghata pata ityadi, anything, any anatma. Now he says tathapi ब्रह्मज्ञानाकारेण परिणामः स्यात् ब्रह्मणः स्वात्मत्वे सति अपि तदाकार अवभास्य आगंतुक ज्ञान सापेक्षत्वात् इत्याशंक्य आह. When aham brahmasmi vritti takes place, at that time atma will have parinama in the form of Brahma. When Ghata Jnanam takes place, Buddhi has Parinama. When Brahma Jnanam takes place, Atma has Parinama. This is Purvapakshi's Ashanka. Brahma Jnana Karena Parinama Syat Brahmanaha. Brahmanaha Parinama Syat. Why? Swatmatve Sati Api, even though it is one's own self, Tadakara Avabhasasya Agantuka Jnana Sapekshvatva. Brahmakara will be there in Atma because there is Agantuka Jnana. What is the Agantuka Jnana? Brahma Jnana. Because Brahma Jnana was not there before. Brahma Jnana comes now. Brahma Jnana means Brahmakar Vritti. So Brahmakar Vritti is Agantuka Jnana. Agantuka Jnana Sapeksha is Brahmakara Parinama of Atma. So even though Atma is Brahma, I don't know I am Brahma until Brahmakar Vritti takes place. So Brahmakar Vritti Sapeksha is Atmanaha Parinama into Brahma. This is the Ashanka. Ityaha Adhyakshohamiti Jnanam Buddhereva Vinishyaha Nadhyakshasya Visheshatvan न तस्यास्ति परो यतः अध्यक्षोऽहमिति ज्ञानं बुद्धेरेव विनिश्चयः नाध्यक्षस्याविशेषत्वान् न तस्यास्ति परो यतः. Siddhanti says Adhyakshoham means Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. This Jnanam is Buddhe eva. It is also of Buddhi alone. It is Nishchaya, Vinishchaya. Na Adhyakshasya Avisheshatvat. Na Adhyakshasya. This Jnanam is not of Atma. Why? Avisheshatvat. Whether it is Ghata Jnanam, Pata Jnanam or Brahma Jnanam. Nothing happens to Atma. Atma is same. There is no Vishesha in Atma because of Vishaya Bheda. न तस्यास्ति परो यतः यतः यस्मात् तस्य परः न अस्ति. तस्य परः means, for actually if you once we go through the tika you will understand. Na tasya asti paraha means this Atma does not have another Atma. This Sakshi does not have another Sakshi. If you accept Parinama in Atma, you will need a Sakshi to know the Parinama of Atma. Another Sakshi. Atma doesn't have anything beyond it. Like sometimes people think there is Atma and there is Paramatma. So, na paraha tasya asti. Tika. Now, this tika, he has beautifully explained how Brahmakar Vritti will come. So, pay attention. Tattvamasyadi vakyat अध्यक्षः परमात्मा एव अहम् इति यद् ज्ञानं जायते तन्न अध्यक्षस्य साक्षिणः परिणामस् तस्य अविशेषत्वात् स्वतः परतो वा निरवयवस्य असंगस्य विशेषाभावात् किन्तु बुद्धेरेव साभासायाः विनिश्चयो अवस्थाविशेष इति अक्षरार्थः. Tattvamasyadi Vakya, when I hear, then the Jnanam is Adhyaksha. See, he uses the word Adhyaksha for Atma also and for Brahma also. So now he says Adhyaksha Param Paramatma eva aham iti. Adhyaksha Brahma, Brahma Paramatma, Paramatma eva aham iti yad Jnanam jayate. That knowledge that takes place, it is not of the Adhyaksha, not of the Sakshi. Tanna Adhyakshasya Sakshinaha Parinamaha. Sakshi does not undergo modification. Why? Tasya avisheshatvat. Sakshi is not having any vishesha due to these parinama. Then, na swataha na parataha. Swataha parato va niravayavasya asangasya vishesha asambhavat. It is niravayava. It has no parts. And it is samana for swataha or parataha. It is asanga. Asangasya vishesha asambhavat. Asanga vastu cannot have vishesha. Kintu buddhehe eva. Buddhi alone has buddher eva parinama. परिणाम इज इन बुद्धि. साभासायाः विनिश्चयः, साभासायाः बुद्धेः एव विनिश्चयः अवस्था विशेष इति अक्षरार्थः. दिस इज अवस्था विशेष ऑफ बुद्धि विथ चिदाभास. एतदुक्तं भवति. नाउ ही एक्सप्लेन्स the whole thing independent of the shloka. Shloka is explained. Little bit about shloka he will give later. Aneka janmanushthita. How Brahmakar vritti will come if we are not aware of it. Here it is clearly given. Aneka janmanushthita yajnadika अपहृत अदृष्ट दोष निवृत्ति संस्कारवत्याः सगुण ब्रह्मोपासन सगुण ब्रह्मोपासना निराकृत चांचल्यायाः सांप्रतम विवेक वैराग्य क्षमादि गुण संस्कृतायाः पदार्थद्वय परिशोधन ज्ञानाहित दृढ़ संस्कारायाश्च बुद्धेस् तत्वमस्यादि वाक्य श्रवण समनंतर शोधित पदार्थगत कल्पित भेदांश तिरोधानेन अखंडाकारा काचिद अवस्था जायते तस्यां प्रतिबिंबित चिदात्मा तादृग्वृत्ति अविविक्ताकारेण अहमिति परामृश्येत. Let's see up to this much. How does he begin? Aneka janma anusthita yajnadika. Means, if I don't have that preparation, Vedanta itself will not appeal to me. Or I will start little bit of Vedanta, then here, there. 6 months will go, 8 months will go. Then again something, again 6-8 months will go away. 1 year will go. Why? Other preparations were not there. So even if everything is there, Acharya is there, Shastra is there, teaching is there, time is there, but mind is not available. When Aneka Janma Yajna Anushtanam is done, then what happens? Apahrita Adrishta Dosha. All the Adrishta Doshas are eliminated. Because of that, Dosha Nivritti Samskara Vatyaha Buddhe. All these are Visheshana for Buddhi. When Dosha Nivritti takes place from Buddhi, that Buddhi becomes Samskaravati. So Samskaravatiyaha Buddhehe, in that Saguna Brahma Upasana. So first Yajnadi Anushtana, then Saguna Brahma Upasana, Karma, then Upasana. Saguna Brahma Upasana, what will it do? Nirakrita Chanchalyayaha. It will produce Ekagrata. It will remove Chanchalyam. One Chanchalyam is when you are actually studying. So mind will go here, there. Different subjects will keep appearing in mind. Other Chanchalyam is 2-3 days you study, then break. Then mind wants something different. Then after some time again you study. This is long-term Chanchalyam. Bits and pieces I gather teaching. So, Saguna Brahma Upasana. Saguna Brahma Upasana means not Ekarupa Ishvara. This Virat Samashti Rupa Ishvara. Not only Sthula Sukshma, कारण प्रपंच उपहित chaitanya. That upasana I should do to eliminate chanchalya. Or somebody should do Ashtanga Yoga sadhana. Dharana dhyana, samadhi abhyas. In other words, you are not available to the world, you are not interested in the world. Then, Sampradam, now in this Janma, Viveka Vairagya Samadhi Guna Samskritaya. Viveka Vairagya Shamadamadi, all gunas are there. Amanitvam, Adambitvam, Ahimsa, etc. Abhayam, Sattva, Shuddhi, Jnana Yoga, Vyavasthiti. So, mind is very purified. पदार्थ द्वय परिशोधन ज्ञान आहित दृढ़ संस्कारायाः बुद्धेः. Then tat padarthatvam padartha shodhanam. With that parishodhana jnana ahita dृढ़ sanskara. Buddhi has dृढ़ sanskara of tvam pada lakshyartha, tat pada lakshyartha. It can do that chintanam without getting tired. पदार्थ द्वय परिशोधन ज्ञान आहित. Ahita means well placed. Dृढ़ samskara. So padartha dvaya parishodhana jnanam cha tad ahitam cha. That knowledge is well placed in the buddhi, whose dृढ़ samskaras are there. Then tattvamashyadi vakya shravana. So padartha shodhanam is done. Now he listens to tattvamashyadi vakya. Tattvamashyadi vakya shravana samanantara शोधित पदार्थगत कल्पित भेदांश तिरोधानेन. When tattvamashyadi vakya shravanam happens, at the same time, samanantara, शोधित पदार्थगत कल्पित भेदांश. शोधित पदार्थ तत्पदार्थ त्वम पदार्थ. In that there is a kalpita vedansha, the upadhi of both. Its tirodhanam means its elimination or mithyatva is understood through Mahavakya Shravanam, means through Vedanta Shravanam. Jagat mithya part, the upadhi of tat and tvam padartha, upadhi is understood as mithya. Tirodhanena akhindakara kachid avastha jayate. Avastha means that vritti. Akhandakara brahmakara vritti takes place. So my attention at that time is on Atma. Then tasyam pratibimbita chidatma. Tasyam akhandakara vrityam. In that vritti, pratibimba chidatma tadrik vritti avivikta akarena aham iti paramrishyata. This is important and beautiful also. If there is ghatakara vritti, its vishaya is ghata. In that ghatakara vritti, chaitanya pratibimba will take place. But I will not equate myself with the vishaya of that vritti. I will not understand I am the vishaya of this vritti. I will know vishaya of this vritti is some other anatma padartha, idam vastu. when Brahmakar Vritti takes place, then Tasyam Pratibimbitah Chidatma. In that Brahmakar Vritti, Chaitanya Pratibimba takes place. Tadrik Vritti Avivikta Akarena Ahamiti Paramrishyata. Vritti means Vritti is Vishaya. Brahmakar Vritti Vishaya is not different from me. Avivikta Akarena Aham iti Paramrishyata. Means the Vishaya of this Vritti is not something. It is me alone. In this way, he Paramrishyata means he understands, he thinks. Ato विविक्ताकारमेव उपाधि अंश अपोहेन स्वमेव रूपं ब्रह्मेति प्रतिपद्यत इति न तस्मिन् कोपि विशेषो उपजायत इति चिदात्मनः परिणाम अभ्युपगमे परिणामिनस् चित्तवत् स्वान्यवेद्यत्व नियमात् आत्मनोपि अन्यः साक्षी कल्प्येत तदनुपपन्नम् अनवस्थानाद अप्रमाणकत्वाच्चे इति अभिप्रेत्य आह न तस्यास्ति परो यतः इति। अतो विविक्ताकारम एव उपाधि अंश अपोहेन। विविक्ताकार is the upadhi amsha. Vivikta means separate from one's own self. Apohena, when that is removed, eliminated. Swameva rupam brahma iti pratipadyate. My swarupa is Brahma. I am Brahma. When he removes upadhi from one's own self. And from tvam padartha, tat padartha also. Tat padartha, tvam padartha, when both the upadhis are eliminated, then swameva rupam brahma iti pratipadyate. He understands, I am Brahma. Iti na tasmin kopi vishesho upajayate. In that there is no vishesha. Iti chidatmanaha न तस्मिन् तस्मिन् कस्मिन्
साक्षिणी
साक्षिणी आत्मनि न तस्मिन् कोपि विशेष उपजायत इति चिदात्मनः परिणाम अभ्युपगमे. So one thing is answered. Now he says, if you accept parinama in chidatma, then parinaminas chittavat, like chitta is parinami, it needs sakshi. If atma is parinami, atma will need another sakshi. Why? Swanya vedyatva niyamat. Swa anya vedyatva. Swasya anya vedyatva. I, about me, if I am parinami, somebody else is required to know this parinama. So buddhi is parinami, sakshi is needed. If sakshi is parinami, then swa anya vedyatva niyamat atmanopi anyaha sakshi kalpyata. If you say another sakshi, you say there is no such thing. Tad anupapannam. It is illogical. Second is anavasthanat. You say there is atma, this parinami requires sakshi. That is parinami requires another sakshi. Then there is anavastha dosha. And apramanakatvacha. We have never heard there are more sakshis, more than one. So that is this line. Na tasya yataha na tasya paro asti. यतः सिंस यस्मात् तस्य आत्मनः परः, other than atma, something else which is superior, there is no such thing. This portion, what is explained here as etaduktam bhavati, aneka janma anusthita yajnadika, etc. In Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, there are two shlokas. What are the shlokas? Shraddha Bhakti Purasarena. I will explain them because they are very relevant and appropriate for this topic. What is required is Shraddha Bhakti first. Shraddha Bhakti Purasarena Vihitena Eva Ishwaram. Ishwar Bhakti is done, Shraddha is there. Karmana Santoshya. By one's own karma. स्वे स्वे कर्मणि अविरतः संसिद्धिम लभते नरः. तो संतोष्य अर्जित तत्प्रसाद महिमा. Then someone, some sadhaka has attained the blessings of Bhagavan, on the grace of which जन्मांतरेषु एव यह नित्यानित्य विवेक तीव्र विरति न्यासादिभिः साधनैर्युक्तः. In other previous janma itself, he did nityanitya viveka. He had tivra vairagya. He took sannyasa. And he is endowed with sadhana chatushtaya. Sashravane sadam avimato mukhyadhikari dvijaha. In Shravana, he is considered as mukhyadhikari, who is a twice born, dvijaha. Dvijaha, so person who has Vedika samskara and is able to think accordingly. Then next shloka says, Adhyaropapavada Kramamanusarata Daishike Vetra Vakyarthe Bodhyamane Sati Sapadi Sataha Shuddha Buddhe Ramushya Nityananda Dvitiyam Nirupamamalam Yat Param Tattvamekam Tad Brahmaivaha Udayati Paramakarati Paramahanda Akarati Udeti Udayati. So to this person, Aham Brahmasmi is this Parama Akhanda, who studies according to Adhyaropa Apavada Nyaya from his Guru and then listens to the Vakyartha. Vakyarthe Buddhyamane Sati Sapadi, quickly, Sataha Shuddha Buddhehe, for the one whose Buddhi is Shuddha, he will get Nitya Ananda Advitiyam Nirupamam Amalam Swarupam Tattvam Brahma eva Hamasmi. So in these two shlokas, starting with Shraddha Bhakti, Ishvara, Pujanam, Karma, etc., all the way up to Brahmakar Vritti. In two shlokas, he has explained. 797, 798. So the same idea here Tikakar has put, but little differently. Now, question is here. Yadyapi evam अंतःकरणस्यैव ज्ञानाकार परिणामस् तथापि तस्य न ज्ञान फल भागिता किंतु आत्मन एव इति अभिप्रेत्य अहंकर्तुः फल संबंधे दोषम आह. So Atma and buddhi, antakarana. They are together because of adhyasa. Parinama is in buddhi, not in atma. Phalam, aham brahmasmi phalam will not be in buddhi. So parinama is in buddhi. Phalam is in atma. So he is explaining this point now. Yadyapi evam. Even though this is the case, what is the case? Antakarnasya eva jnanakara parinamaha. Antakarana alone will have jnanakara parinama. Tathapi. Tasya na jnana phala bhagita. Antakarana will not be jnana phala bhag or bhagi. Why? Atma alone can claim aham brahmasmi, not buddhi, not antakarana. किंतु आत्मना एव इति अभिप्रेत्य अहंकर्तुः फल संबंधी दोषमः. Ahankar cannot claim the phalam of Brahmakara vritti. Kartra chedahamityeva manubhuyeta muktata sukha dukkha vinirmokko nahankartari yujyate. Kartra chedahamityeva manubhuyeta muktata sukha dukkha vinirmoko नाहंकर्तरि युज्यते. कर्ता चेद अहम इति एवं अनुभूयेत. मुक्तता अनुभूयेत by the mukta person. This anubhava, if it is happening, then सुख दुख विनिर्मोको कर्तरी न युज्यते. सुख दुख फल प्राप्ति cannot be there for ahankara. सुख दुख विनिर्मोक फल प्राप्ति. विनिर्मोक means elimination. So when moksha takes place, then antakarana vritti is not there. Antakarana is negated. Sukha dukha of antakarana is also negated. Karta is also negated. Then who will ask for the phalam? There is nobody remaining to ask for the phalam. Therefore, phala prapti will be only in Atma. Parisheshan nyayana. Vinirmoko, moko, much dhatu is there. Kartra vikarina ched aham mukta iti muktata anubhuyeta. By the karta who is vikari, if he feels I am liberated, muktata anubhuyeta tada naham karta iti kartritva upamardanena sukha dukkha vinirmoko asambandhas tasmin yujyate. Na aham karta iti kartritva upamardanena. Kartritva will be eliminated by brahmakar vritti. Sukha dukkha vinirmokaha, freedom from sukha dukkha. Asambandha, freedom means I don't have sambandha with antakarana vikaras. I don't have sambandha with antakarana which has sukha dukkha vritti. Antakarana will not be able to say this. Only Atma will have this. न युज्यते कर्तुः सुखादिमत्व अनुभव विरोधा, बिकॉज कर्ता है सुखादिमत्व अनुभव, अहम सुखादिमान। कर्तुरपि क्रियया सह तदा विलीयमानत्वात्, and in after aham brahmasmi vritti, karta also is dissolved along with all his kriya. Karta is not there, kriya is not there, antakaranam is not there, jagat is not there actually. क्रिया सह तदा विलीयमानत्वात् न तस्य फल संबंधः, तस्य कर्तुः न फल संबंधः। कर्ता doesn't have any ब्रह्म भाव फल संबंध। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।